In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check spelling in Microsoft Excel. Ensuring your data is free of spelling errors is important, especially when preparing reports, presentations, or shared workbooks. Excel provides a simple way to review and correct any mistakes quickly. To begin, open the Excel workbook where you want to check the spelling. Click on the Review tab at the top of the Excel window. In the Review ribbon, you will see a group called Proofing. Within this group, click on Spelling. Excel will start reviewing the text in your worksheet from the currently selected cell and move through the cells row by row, identifying any potential spelling errors. When Excel detects a word that may be misspelled, a dialog box will appear suggesting corrections. You can choose to change the word to one of the suggestions by clicking Change, or you can select Change All if you want to apply the same correction throughout the worksheet. If the word is spelled correctly and you want Excel to ignore it, click Ignore or Ignore All to skip similar words in the rest of the workbook. You can also add the word to the dictionary so Excel recognizes it in the future, which is useful for names, technical terms, or industry-specific vocabulary. Excel continues checking each cell until it reaches the end of the worksheet. Once the spell check is complete, a notification will appear informing you that the spelling check is finished. At this point, you can review your changes and save the workbook to ensure all corrections are applied. Using the spell check feature in Excel helps maintain professionalism and accuracy in your data. It is particularly useful for workbooks that contain large amounts of text, including headers, comments, and notes. Checking spelling regularly can prevent errors from appearing in reports or shared documents. By following these steps, you can ensure that your Excel worksheets are free of spelling mistakes and maintain a polished, error-free appearance. This tool is quick, easy to use, and an essential part of reviewing your work. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.